Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you create a how to get a reserved instance license. So today in this video we are going to purchase some new reserved instances and I'll show you how we can do this. So let's get started now. So go to EC2 instance and just go to the reserved instances and these are the list which are already purchased, and if you want to buy some new instances, so click on purchase reserved instances and then let me check. uh, let's say T3A small 2. So T3A small, this one, term for 12 months and a permanent no upfront top payment option and offering class convertible. Convertible means it can be converted. Your on-demand instance can be converted to your reserved instance and vice versa. So I'm going to search. So it's available and desired quantity is 2. So add to cart. I have added to cart, view cart now. So to quantity T3A dot small. Let's order. Yeah, order is submitted successfully. So guys, this way you can purchase any new license of a reserved instance. So that's it guys. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye.